Alrighty, we're going to start a new video here today. Gramps the truck is in the garage. I have been cleaning the truck because, well, there isn't very much in the way of mechanical repairs to do. So I think it needs a little bit of a tune-up because it idles a little bit rough. So we'll probably get some new plugs. Who knows? We don't know. Maybe the injectors need to be cleaned. Not sure. But anyways, the motor compartment here has had a bath. It's not 100% perfect, but it's way better than it was. This thing was so dusty in here. Just caked with dust. And some of that dust will not let go, like what's on top of the valve covers. You know, it doesn't matter how many times I pressure wash that, it's not going away. I need as you can see, I need a cap for the windshield washer fluid. The rest of it's good though. These, I got to change these today. One of them is on the side post, one is on the top post. I'm going to go get some new side post connectors. I want them side post. It's better that way because it is a proper battery. That's a fairly new battery too, by the way. So, and I found the battery wasn't clamped in, but still isn't. But when I was cleaning way down on the frame down there, I found the hold down for it. Funny. By the way, this light here is burnt out, but yeah. Anyways. Actually, I thought that did work. Oh yeah, look. The little trouble light in here works. Bulb's loose. They often did work. That one up there, not so much, but I believe the bulb was burnt out. So we'll, and they have a little mercury switch in it. So and that's sometimes screws up. So I'm not worried about that one. But everything else in here is 100% original, except that looks new. The AC compressor might, no, the AC I don't think it worked. It didn't blow cold anyways. And the alternator doesn't look like the original alternator either. But and of course that completely looks new. Otherwise it would be rusty. So that's nice. And you know, the brakes work. They're a little bit soft, like maybe need to be bled once more. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, go Gramps. Okay, as you can see, we got the new mirrors installed. Boy, what a pain that was. They don't give you much room in there on that little triangle inside to get the nuts on the back of the mirrors, but they're on there. I love these. For trailer towing, pull them out. Push them back in for regular driving. Okay, I also did a huge number on the interior here. Started with this door and worked my way around. Did the other door. Took these seats right out. Completely removed them and shampooed all the carpet. And it smells kind of normal in here now. And you know, I discovered a few things that the multi-functions switch here, all the words are worn off of it. I've ordered another one of those because you can't see the cruise control controls, and so you don't even know what you're doing with that. Yeah, anyways, that doesn't seem to be working properly. So anyway, and the when I was cleaning the headlight switches here, I completely erased the letters on there, so now you don't know which one's which. This little mystery switch, still have not had a look. Like, you got to take this dash apart in order to find out where that goes. I did remove the remote starting system from in there. That's not hard. Left me kind of a coil of a power wire and a ground wire and the ACC wire, like which is the when you turn on the ignition, that's the power goes there. Those might be handy for something down the road. Hard to say. I do know I'm not changing the stereo out. Because I just want a radio and it works perfectly. So yeah. So we got a nice clean interior in here. I also cleaned the back seat too, and the jack tools are all in the cabinet in there, and they it looked like they've never been touched. So they're good to go. Locks. Now, yeah, there is something that I will install in here. Not quite yet, but I have it, and that's a key fob locking system. So I have to probably take the glove box out to find out where the main harness is for the locks, okay? And I have to tap into the lock and unlock wires. And then, of course, it needs power as well. So that's a little future project, shall we say. No, anyway, yeah. So Gramps has had a bath. Gramps also had the side rails taken off because I'm picking up a canopy this next week that I'm hoping I'm picking up a canopy. When I get to where it is, I'm looking for some other parts too, but I hope the canopy measures out to be the right size. So yeah, this is the 6.5 foot box, so it should be correct. I really hope, and I'll be bringing that home. So, and I did give the back of the truck a complete wash so that we can use it for moving the boxes and whatnot that we got to be moving starting today, in fact. So I better go get that those terminal connectors for the battery there and get that changed out. It's really the only thing I need to do right now. You can drive this truck around till the cows come home. Anyways, that is my quick little video. Thanks.